Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. We're going to be taking a look at a vehicle build that the gang over at StarCar are working on right now. Straightforward vehicle. It's going to involve a variety of different products from Whelen Engineering. It'll have a Liberty 2 Lightbar mounted on the roof of it, and it will also have some Vertex hideaways, which have actually been mounted externally. So let's go from here to there right now.
This pink is going to be used for the fifth switch. These four are for the switches, and then this one is the fifth switch. So you get these two.
Alright.
So Travis, what are you working on right now?
It's got the Vertex mounted in the front. Fired up. On the wire.
Get the wire run through.
Right.
These five. Might need like at least 14 gauge for those switch wires.
So for the left alley, right alley takedown, then the amber vertexes and the amber, what is it, corners that you wanted?
If we don't need them on the next one, do it on this one.
What's happening?
Hey, it's Doug! So what are you doing, Danny?
I'm drilling holes to mount this fuel tank back here.
So Danny, where'd you put the controls on this particular vehicle?
Oh, we used the factory upfitter switches from Dodge.
And that'll control the light bar and all the auxiliary lighting around it.
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. Well, let's go ahead and turn them on. Now, do you have the ability to turn the front and the rear of the light bar off if you decide to do that?
No, one switch is for the whole light bar, and then another switch is for the perimeter lighting. Yeah,
Got it.
the Vertex. And then alley lights, and then front and rear takedowns. You just climb up there, pull that bolt out, stick this one in there.
This,
Just stick this nut in there with a magnet. And I need you to spin that bolt.
you want me to like hit it with the impact or just spin it with my fingers?
Yeah, spin it by hand.
Okay.
Well, there you have it. A pretty straightforward installation here from the gang over at StarCar. And as you can see, they build a variety of different vehicles. So not all are law enforcement or law enforcement-based vehicles. They also do vehicles for DEQ, as well as the DEA, and as well as your regular Department of Transportation, depending on what county you're in. So again, this vehicle will be going into service here in the Pacific Northwest. A great piece of work put together by the gang over at StarCar. A big shout out to Travis, of course, the newest member of StarCar. Tied in with, of course, the big man himself, Doug. Ted, who's always in the office, usually. Hard to find him sometimes, but he's usually the one who's the most craftiest as far as coming up with the electronic component layout. That's always worth noting. And of course, there's Danny and Austin as well, who occasionally helps out Danny, or Danny helps out Austin. One way or the other, they make a fantastic team, and it's always great working with them. I'm Stuart, and I'd like to thank you all for watching SIRENNET Television. You all have a great day.